I do have a new publication out. Now, the reason I'm sharing this on Shabbat, you can purchase this after Shabbat, but I just wanted, while I have everyone together, to let you know that this is now available on Amazon worldwide. You see the beautiful orange cover that was designed by our good friend Daniel Wright. It's called These Are the Words, Essential Biblical Hebrew Vocabularies. And within this book, this is a mock-up, by the way, but it shows you the exact size. It's 4x8. You can put it in your pocket, in your purse, in your bag or whatever, and carry with you the 1,000 most common words in the Hebrew Bible. And they're listed according to frequency and so forth. So I encourage you, if you want to master and memorize the 1,000 most common words in the Hebrew Bible, this book gives it to you. You carry it with you, you learn those words. And with this, I also want to let people know that in the very near future, now I have 3 tours to Israel back-to-back from October 20th until about Thanksgiving, but very soon following on the heels of that, we're going to kick off some biblical Hebrew classes, basics of biblical Hebrew. How do you read the words? And so anyone who's interested in that, I encourage you to look on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, we have a group that's called Introduction to Biblical Hebrew. Sign up for the group. I think I've got it locked down to private, but if you put your name in there, I will approve you, and we'll use that. I intend to stream classes to that group page and help people learn to read biblical Hebrew. And then you have the 1,000 most popular words in this book, so you're off to the races, as we say.